How miserable are you?
I'm fine. I don't own
All
Bitcoin.
right.
And I
Ethereum,
own,
though.
Yeah, I own Ethereum, and I'm very comfortable there. First of all, just technically, look at Bitcoin. And it's going to make another test of the 200. It has today, but somewhere around 79.80. I don't think you touch it until then. And I do think technically this Tokyo whale is still out there, apparently with more to go. I don't know why you have to jump in here.
I'm jumping in. I bought more Ethereum today. I mean, I think these levels are incredibly attractive. I'm not concerned about the regulation. I think the regulation is amazing. I think it's going to bring the adults into the room and allow this market to really facilitate higher.
I don't want to have to pick the currency, so I play it with Overstock. It's the initial coin offering. They're the only one that's SEC compliant. I think regulation is going to be a huge amount to this game, and I don't want to have to pick the currency, so I play it with OSTK.
I am going to agree with Ethereum. I think Bitcoin is also not too bad of a choice, but the decline of Ethereum, how much it's dropped from its high, I mean, I think that there's more upside to Ethereum, and personally, I have limit orders to buy both, but my limit orders to buy Ethereum start up under 700, so if it continues to dip, I'll be buying Ethereum in the $600 and $500 range. For Bitcoin, because I've already made a large purchase during the first crash, I'm not really going to buy any more Bitcoin unless it becomes below 8,000. So my orders will start at 7,000, and I actually have orders that go down all the way to 4,000 in case there's a major crash. I can pick up as much Bitcoin as I can. So I like both of the currencies, but it's hard to kind of time the market, and it seems like all the bad news has passed, but we can wait and see. And for someone that hasn't gone into crypto, I think this is another great opportunity to finally throw something in there. I think that if you have any kind of portfolio, it never hurts to obviously have diversification. And if you don't have any crypto assets in your portfolio, and them recommending Overstock, I think is bogus. I think that that's still a stock. It's still highly correlated to the stock market, where crypto is completely different. And I mean, if you don't want to touch any kind of cryptocurrency, fine, go with Overstock. I think there's better companies. I mean, the graphic card companies like Nvidia, I think, would be a better play. But once again, I do believe in diversification. So for me personally, I'm going to put most of my assets into actual cryptocurrency when I'm doing this kind of investment. Now, obviously, for me, I just recently have now more invested in cryptocurrencies than the stock market. But if you include my bonds, I obviously still have bonds that pay a fixed yield. I still have more stock and bond investment than crypto. But I am not worried. I've increased my position a lot. I was very small, unfortunately, with cryptocurrencies, just because I was testing it out, and I had never owned cryptocurrencies. But I started buying in July of last year. I wish I obviously bought more back then, but I'm very comfortable owning a significant amount of cryptocurrencies, and I'm pretty bullish about the long-term outlook on cryptocurrencies. But let me know what you guys think. I definitely think if you haven't had a chance, this is a great time to buy. If you're holding, there's nothing wrong. If you're selling, I would say that's not a great idea, but you're free to do what you need to do. And obviously, if your cash position is low, if you don't have at least 10-20% cash in this portfolio to buy dips like this, you might want to consider selling, especially once there is somewhat of a recovery, so you do have more cash to buy these kind of dips. But watch and learn, and let me know what you guys think, and I will talk to you soon.